riu ndirenda riu twanjie haria ciuria haria gikuo kia Betty kianjiriirie riu ndirenda twanjie kurania very technical and logical question. Ciuria stari cia emotions, ciuria cia gwiciria technical, koguo ciuria citi cia andu othe. Namba imwe report, official report ya Betty ku diagnose ni ati ni diagnoseirwo na leukemia ni thibitari ya mbere RFI family mahene report ya AAR. Where is the official report ya diagnosis ya leukemia? Mwathimire ati ya leukemia, how did you settle for leukemia? Ni mukwenda muheane the official report gwe family ya Betty tondu ngino muthio they are still in darkness, merirwo mwana wao akue ni leukemia. Alright, number 2, hiyo report ni very important eheanwo. Ya keri, kiuria kingi gya keri, inyuothe ni muwi private wing ya Kenyatta is not government hospital, is private. Ni ndagitari uriku uyu wa acceptire Betty arutwo ri atwarirwo ndagitari uriku private because there is an involvement of a private doctor. Ni ndagitari uriku uyu, alright, na diagnosis report ya ndagitari uyu ri ni riku. Number 3, agikorwo Betty ni atwarirwo na shari, report ya sha official report ri yugaga Betty atwarirwo thibitari na ki. That's another question. Koguo ri report ino ri ni heanwo gwe family. Official report matire kindu ngino muthi ukia mwana wao, nerirwo mwana wao akue ni leukemia na agithikwo matari involved. Number 4 question, muiritu uyu witagwo Joyce Wairimu, uyu mamu wa Betty arauga aneyo ciana. Joyce Wairimu niwe wandikitwo burial permit ni ria mbere. Mundurume uyu agiuka akirehe thina akiuga mwekera family niki, akihura thimu kuri ahuraga kuri andu aria mamwiraga ignore social media na ignore family ya Betty ati niyo ene system, niyo ene thirikari, aya maramwira ni tucamanie igoti-ini, akihuma hurira thimu akiruta ritwa ria Joyce Wairimu burial permit-ini. Koguo family igitunywo hinya ngina wa gwitia autopsy kana kindu gitagwo post-mortem. Koguo mundurume uyu agikorwo riu niwe wi 100% in charge ya mwiri, family ni irauga ni ngiendire post-mortem, maumirwo niki, autopsy report eha. Koguo ri Joyce Wairimu ri arutirwo burial permit-ini niki na maratathi-ini ma Betty. Mundurume uyu akihura thimu, no cio wina hinya gucenjia burial permit, no uramuteithia? Who is these people? Who are these people? Mena hinya muingi muno ati ni mahotire kuruta Joyce Wairimu burial permit-ini. That's another question turafatara kuria. Alright, kiuria kia muico na kio ni riri, indo cia Betty ri ni cianegerwo ciana kana tisiti kunegerwo ciana? Ni ndauga atiriri uhoro wa ciana na custody ya ciana hau ni ndeheria tondu nyina wa Betty uria thakame ya ciana ni arikia kwaria. Nikio tuga andu aria emotional battalion riu ciciuria ti cianyu, riu muthie mukanyue sai kuria kunyuagwo. Riu guku ndirenda to deal with those very important logical technical questions. Mamu wa Betty araugire ni arenda post-mortem ya mwiri, ndakagirio post-mortem ya mwiri nekirwo ni thibitari ciganona na specimen imwe cingihota gutumwo Ruraya citumwo Ruraya. Ndamwira atiriri tutigocoka guikara guku Kenya tukanormalize ikuo without explanation. That is the new country we are building. Life is very precious and life is very sacred.